Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. It has definitely been a while. I haven't been making any summer crafts, but I am working on, this is another tutorial by Macy and Ruth. Her name is Amanda. I only have one ear done. I've got to make 25 more because it calls for, this is going to be a bunny rabbit. It calls for 13 of these squares, and you make so 26 ears. I've only made one, and then of course the nose and the eyes will have to be sewn on. And I'm doing this because I did, my very first of hers was this pink teddy bear. I don't know if you can see it. This pink teddy bear blanket, and I made a blue one, little ears smushed down, and I made a blue one. But when I ordered the yarn, I couldn't get the exact yarn that she used in the colors. She used, I believe, Hobie. So I made a pink and a blue. I love her tutorials. She's so thorough, and these are her patterns. The borders, everything. So I wanted to make a pink and a blue in those, and I did. But because I couldn't get the yarn that she used, and I didn't pay attention to the yardage of the yarn, I went by the skeins, however you say it, that she used, and I ordered way too much. So then I decided I was going to make, this is another one of hers, this rose one, or flower, beautiful. So I made that, and I still had too much yarn because I had ordered Lion Brand Baby Soft, and the color, the pink color is oh, there it is, Little Girl Pink. But now I can't find this, and I'm going to run out. I do have some squares that I made using the wrong hook size for the teddy bear one that I can undo. That's a whole nother story. So I still have those saved that I can undo, and I think this has been discontinued. Now as far as the blue, I still have like 4 skeins of it. So that's how much more I ordered, but I was going by how many skeins she used, didn't pay attention to the yardage. But anyway, so I've made all of these, and then it'll take 12 of these, and this is all I have left. So I went to Joann's and I ordered another, the closest I could find to it. I'm hoping, if nothing else, I can rip apart the ones that I made for the first teddy bear pink one that I made too small, and get at least the squares done in that, and then use the pink that I've ordered. And if it's not the exact color, because it uses pink and white for the border, that maybe I can get by with that. But of course I showed you those, and then I made, because these are all for possible future grandbabies I may have. This is one I just finished. This is Jellybean, and I use little boy colors that I got from Joann's, Yarn Bee or Baby Bee. And this is from Bit Knits. It's her channel. Really good tutorial. And then I made this one using Mandala Ombre. It's a, they call it a pixie blanket. It kind of, it's meant for that skein of yarn, but I cannot remember where this one came from, where the tutorial came from. But it's real pretty because each, since it's ombre, the colors turn out right for, and it's a one skein pattern meant just for that. But I don't remember where that one is from. So yeah, I've ordered the yarn and hoping that it will at least be somewhat close. If not, like I said, I think I can pull apart the other ones, or not pull apart, deconstruct the other squares that I made that were too small of this color, because this is all I have left. If anyone knows if this has been discontinued, because I can't find it anywhere. I can find the boy, but I have plenty of the boy. I still have 4 skeins of it. Yeah. So I used it in this one, thinking, well, I'll still have plenty. And then I thought, well, I'll have plenty for this. But these are larger squares than the teddy bear one. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know. And like I said, I still have to make 25 ears, and then I'll have to or sew on eyes and a nose. And then because it shows through, because it's a darker color, she has you make a little circle here to cover the back. I got plenty of white, so I'm not worried about that. But this is where I am with this. And again, I'm just making up baby blankets. The blue I'm going to use for, she also has a panda bear one. It's adorable. So I know I have enough blue to do that one, and white, and then I've got black. So I'll let y'all know how this turns out. If anybody knows if this has been discontinued for sure, I can't find out. If it's, I just know it's not available anywhere. So I will keep you all posted and show you my progress when I'm done. You all have a good day and a good summer. It's getting ready to get really, really, really hot. See you later.